Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you are watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're on Rumble, please give us a follow and a thumbs up. Well, the raspberry bush is near its end. Lately, every morning, start of the video, coming out, adding a few berries. Some nice fresh antioxidants. There's not too many berries left, hey? I'll let that one get a little riper. Oh, the bees are about. Right. Let's go down and have a look at the peppers. Actually, let's step over here in the compost pile. Yeah, I'm seeing the... So I cut up some zucchini a couple of days ago. Didn't get touched. But I threw out a couple of cobs of corn out here. And they got ferociously touched. Oh, looks like I threw out the teaspoon with the bathwater. Okay. Well, our weird little pepper plant with the weird peppers that takes the longest to grow is still taking the longest to grow. And our weird shaped tomatoes have yet to turn red. Our other peppers here, they're finally starting to turn red. Now, I've bought some cheaper peppers down the way here, and they turned red earlier and bought later. Obviously, probably a different species. There we go. Well, tomato plants are tomatoing. I would really love to eat these, just pop these in my mouth, but then, of course, I just get the reaction. And these peppers have been really handy. Really handy for the, oh my goodness, that's like a regular green pepper. Well, if it turns red, I'll eat it. I do not do green peppers. Oh, can't do it. Oh, if it's sliced on a pizza, maybe. But really, they are just the most disgusting pepper on the planet. To me. Here's our little sunflower. I said little. No, I meant giant sunflower. Which is yet to have its flower, but it's coming soon. Alright, let's go past the zucchinis. Into the potatoes. Oh, some little potato discoloration finally, eh? Well, maybe these will be ready to pull up too. It just hasn't been worth it to cut the grass at all because there's no rain. What little grass does grow, yes, it looks not neat, but I don't really care. Oh yeah, it's time to, on a Friday no less. Oh well. Gotta pull them up, can't leave them in there. And look at this. They're just going bananas aerating my soil. Well, they must be doing me a favor, digging something up. Now, of course, I put in a little potato here. That was already having a stem growing out of it. Actually, from that position, when I put it back in. And we'll see if it lives, if it makes more potatoes before the end of the fall growing season. And our onions have kept their moisture after being watered last night. And of course, our giant kale bush. Just kale every day now for supper. If you go back in the early videos, you'll see us practically just nothing coming out of the soil here. If there was a stalk left over from last year, and I thought for sure it would just die off, but no, it just kept coming back to life. It happened after the first year I planted kale, but not the second. Now that's a third year stalk that come up for the fourth year. There's a wee little... Are you ready yet? No? So many healthy zucchinis. All right, so let's look down here on the vine. Anything growing? Ah, so many leaves in the way to try to hide you from stealing. Oh, there's another one there. How are we doing? Where are we going? Okay, I gotta grab this one today. I wanted to wait till this morning. Oddly shaped. Come on. He's a stubborn one. There we go. Oh, all I can hear is buzzing around me. Okay. Did I see something on there? My imagination. My imagination. Okay. Okay. Let's see, another one going here? Oh yeah, some down there. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, now let's look at the other zucchinis. Oh, let's put this down. Now, this is a zucchini, pretty sure, because this is the same bloody plant as that. So, I guess I kept missing all the other ones, or I mean, nature kept missing all the other flowers, right? So there's another one up there here. So, I guess we're going to have to stop the insanity. Well, that's going to be a few less squashes for the winter with the zucchinis. I thought I only had 2, but there's 3 zucchini plants. And I'm going to have to make a fake pumpkin out of that. There's no way you can eat that. It's got to be woody as hell. Well, eventually, we'll cut that off, and we'll probably slice the top off if we are trying to make a fake pumpkin out of it. And at that time, I guess we'll see what the insides are like. All right, let's keep looking at our zucchinis. I mean, squashes. Let's put that down. Now, there's been a lot of reports of a big fall in bee colonies, especially south of the border. It's been an ongoing concern ever since I first got interested in apiary at my last property. Oh my God, that was like 20 years ago or more. I bought secondhand hives and some equipment, and I was all ready to, because I had the property on the other, at the other place, just under 2 acres, and I had plenty of places to put out hives. It was my plan, when I retire, just have some beehives. But we moved from there, and we moved here, and I just did not have the space. And who knew when I was going to retire by then. So I'm not freaked out by bees or hornets or anything like that. Because I know they're busy, they got a job to do. Right? Look, they even ignore each other. Because, is that one just drunk on pollen down there? Just won't leave? Okay. Oh boy. Well, we're pretty lucky. Oh, look. Must have missed that egg cluster. Okay, well, I'm going to take care of that egg cluster, and then we are going to go down and have a look at Butch on the other side. All right, egg cluster first. Well, here we are in the front, and I'm very lucky to have some bees active out here as well. Looks like we will have success with that pumpkin. It's low enough to the ground, I won't have to worry about moving that vine. How's the zucchini? Zucchini hasn't flowered yet to give us more fruit, or try to, although this one has. And I don't see any male. Oh, look at this. All right, where's male flowers? Well, this is that's not. Is this zucchini? Okay, well, let's not take chances and make sure we do it ourselves. All right, I don't know what happened there. My camera all decided just to go all blurry on me. Very, very weird. Very weird indeed. Okay. So oh, thank you. Thank you there, little bumblebee, for doing this. Just hanging out. Yeah, baby. Oh, I wonder if he's just waiting to get trapped. Hope there's no trap in there. Oh well. So, yeah, we're still concerned about this plant. It's having a hard time getting water right now because it's trying to build new roots out of that bind that I buried in there, because of what was happening at the root itself being attacked by looked like a vine borer. So throughout the day, the pumpkin leaves start to sag, showing they're not getting any water. So it needs a little more care. So every day, we don't know. We don't know if this plant is going to be here tomorrow. Living, capable of producing fruit. All right, now our other giant sunflower, doing just fine. And the Morning Glories. We have some flowers. The pink and blue. I've mixed the seeds over the years so that you never know what color you're gonna get unless you look at the seed. And they are even flowering in the shade. Yep. Okay. Well, if you hung out till the end, I really appreciate it. Come back tomorrow for the next episode, and we'll catch you up on the growth as we accelerate towards the end of the growing season. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.